This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring Visual Studio has the NET desktop workload installed so you can target WPF. Once done, choose New Project and select WPF app. Pick the framework version that matches your deployment needs. Make sure to name the solution clearly and pick a logical folder. If you want source control, enable Git in this step. These choices shape project structure, package compatibility, and deployment later, so don't skip them and confirm the framework before proceeding. You now construct the user interface and connect logic. Start in Main window. XAML, lay out grid rows and columns, declare styles and resource dictionaries so look and feel are consistent. Then implement behavior either in code behind for simple tasks or adopt MVVM for testable, scalable apps. Create view models, implement iNotify property changed, and wire commands to buttons. Add necessary NuGet packages and ensure bindings compile. Make sure layouts resize well. Responsive design avoids clipped content on different DPI or window sizes. You finish by running and validating the app. Press F5, set breakpoints, and step through code to confirm behaviors and catch exceptions early. When ready to ship, use Visual Studio Publish options, choose single file, framework dependent, or create an installer, and test on a clean machine. If something fails, check the output and debugger binding messages for binding errors, inspect inner exceptions for assembly mismatches, and verify target framework and NuGet versions. That one troubleshooting tip: examine binding failures in output. They tell you what XAML expects versus what exists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.